Yo, what's good, people, man? It's your boy, Mr. Arkansas Swanger, man. And I'm back with another one, man. So today, I already kind of started this project, but I decided, man, I'm going to show y'all what I'm doing today. So, I ain't going to prolong the time because I'm really trying to get this done. But what we doing today, man, is we swapping out the wiring harness, as y'all can see. So, mounting the PCM and all of that under the dash, as y'all can see. I already got the harness coming out the firewall, so I'm about to plug all this up. Shouldn't be too hard. I ain't never done it, but don't look hard. So I'm finna go on and get to it, man. I'll let y'all know. I'll let y'all know what's popping in a minute, man. I'll let you. All right, y'all. So it's the next day, man, and I just kind of wrapped up the harness. So this kind of what it look like under here now. You know, hopefully y'all can see that. But yeah, man, we got the harness wrapped up. It didn't seem hard, and it really wasn't hard. But I did run into a few things that I had to kind of sort out. So one of the things that I had to sort out, I plugged in a connector and it wasn't all the way plugged in, so I had problems with that. And let's see what else. My O2 sensor wire was too short, so I went to the muffler shop to try to get it moved, but they was closed. And when I pulled out of their parking lot, I thought to myself, like, man, I can go make me an extension for my O2 sensor. So that's exactly what I did. I made me an extension. And the last thing I had to figure out was my oil pressure. But my Dakota Digital came with an oil pressure sender unit. So all I did was put that one on the back of the block in the stock location. And ran the wire through the firewall and plugged it up to the interface for the dash, and oil pressure works fine. But yeah, that's what we did. Sitting here looking now, I think I'm gonna have to eventually put a water pump on here, but I don't even know if I want to fool with that today. But anyway, let y'all kind of take a glimpse at the inside. Wires is on the dash. I put the computer in the glove compartment. I cut the back out of it to run the harness in there to plug up to the computer. My fuse box is back there behind the dash, but I ain't gonna let that all the way out because then I have to try to tuck all those wires back under there. So I figured by, the computer being in the glove box and me stuffing the wires under the dash, I won't be using the dashboard, so ain't no need to really open it. So I ain't gonna open that today, but yeah, we did get it swapped out. I purchased the harness off of eBay. It came with some instructions, and it looked like it's instruction from a PSI harness, but the harness say unbranded. I was kind of skeptical at first when I bought it, but it worked out all right. And another thing I had to figure out, you have to pin your own fuel pump wires to the relay on that harness. So if you get it, it comes with some little connectors to connect on the wire, and you make the wire, however long you need it, and you got to give it a 12-volt signal. So you got to give it 12 volts, and then you got to run your fuel pump wire to the relay to make it work. So that's kind of the gist of what I did, man. I'm finna start it up and I'm finna get off of here, man. Sorry if my energy ain't there, man, but I did want to finish the video, so here we go. So y'all can see I got temp, oil pressure, everything, got it all. My temp is reading from the that interface box I told you I got that plugs into the OBD2. So I got that giving me my temperature, but the oil center, like I said, I put the oil center and everything else in there. my speed is coming from the computer too. So anyway, that's what I had to do, man. It's your boy, Mr. Arkansas Swanger, man. I'm out of here.